Okay. Hello and welcome back to Northern Gardens. We've had some interest on the Beyblade Arena, so I thought I'd come up with a really quick video that how you could do this at home with as few things that you would need. Okay, so what you will need is what we got is a metal sled. Okay, it's just a dish. Okay, and we surrounded it with insulation. Okay, this is pipe insulation. You can get this at the store. You just has a little slit down it, and you would slide that over top of the edge of this, and that keeps the Beyblades from popping out. Okay, really easy to cut. I would ask that you tell your parents to cut that insulation for you, because you do need a knife or a sharp pair of scissors. But you can take and sit this down on top of like a beanbag. You can use a beanbag. If you don't have a beanbag, you can use cushions from your couch. You can use pillows. You set that down on there, you can make it stable, and you can have fun with your Beyblades. If your parents are good with tools, maybe they have some a little shop that they can build some things. Ask them to make you a little stand, and you can take and put this right on top of that there. Okay. So if you do make something like that, let us know. You can post pictures of it below, or provide links for it below. Tell us how you did it, and any quick way to make a Beyblade Stadium is pretty cool. So I look forward to hearing what you have to say, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.